Hello, welcome to the class.
My name is Partho Majumdar.
Without any further delay, let's get started. Now we have seen how we can fetch tweets. So we fetch tweets based on a search string or a hashtag or a combination of the two. Also, we fetch tweets from a particular location. The location can be a country, a city, a street in a city, etc. Now that we have fetched the tweets, it is important that we know what is the data that is being fetched. So what data does Twitter return to us? Unless we know the data what Twitter returns to us, we can never analyze the data. So in this video, we go through what is the data returned by Twitter. I will take you straight to RStudio because there is a lot of information which is returned. So we will see it in RStudio. What is the information returned by Twitter? So we have the old code that we used earlier. So we will just run this code to get the data from Twitter. So I run this code. Now it's downloading the tweets. And there it is done. It has fetched 1000 tweets. So now we know that the tweets are stored in the variable v_temp. So first let's find out what type of a variable this v_temp is. You can do that by using the function class. You can say class v_temp. If you run this, you see that it is a data frame. So we can see what is the columns in the data frame that is returned. So for doing that, we need to give the command call names and give the data frame for which we want to see the columns. So you can say call names v_temp, and when we run this, it will display all the columns what is there in the data frame. So there we have all the columns. So you can see that there are altogether 90 columns what Twitter returns. So let's go through briefly some of the important information that we find here. So the first information is the user ID, that is the user who has tweeted. Then the status ID, what is it, whether it's posted, not posted, etc. When it was created, what is the screen name of the user, what is the text used in the tweet, that is also provided. What is the source? Source here basically means whether it was done with us tweeted through a iPhone or Android phone or through an iPad, etc. or through a website, etc. So next is display text width, reply to status ID. Many of these are very automatically explainable. So you can see that. So you can see favorite counts, how many people favorited the tweet, how many people retweeted the tweet, how many people quoted the tweet, how many people replied to the tweet, etc. Then we see some information like what was the media type used, and whether it was retweeted. If it was retweeted, what was the text used in the retweet, when was the retweet created. It also provides the place from where the tweet was made, the URL of the place, the name of the place type, and the country from where it was tweeted, the country code, the coordinates, the geo coordinates. So it is provided here. So you can see that there is a lot of information which is provided from Twitter. You can go through each of the information in more details, and then you can create various types of analytics based on the data what is returned by Twitter. One thing to note is that all data is not complete in all the tweets. Many tweets have got incomplete information. So proper data cleansing needs to be done before any kind of analysis can be done on these data.